In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to entering and paying bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll feel confident recording your bills and paying them correctly so your reports stay accurate and up to date. Let's start with entering a bill. In QuickBooks Online, recording a bill means you're telling the system that you owe money to a vendor even if you're not paying it right away. This is important because it keeps your expenses and accounts payable accurate. From your QuickBooks dashboard, move to the top of the screen and click the plus new button. In some versions, this may appear as plus create, but it works the same way. When the menu opens, look for the vendors column and choose bill. This opens the main bill form. At the top of the form, select the vendor from the drop-down menu. This should be the company or person who sent you the bill. If they already exist in your vendor list, just click their name. If they don't, you can quickly add them so they're saved for next time. Next, fill in the bill details. Enter the bill date, which is usually the date on the vendor's invoice, and the due date, which is when payment is expected. Add the bill number exactly as it appears on the invoice. This helps you search and match things later and avoids duplicates. Now go down to the category details or expense details section. Here you'll choose the correct expense account that best describes what the bill is for, such as utilities, office supplies, or rent. Add a short description so you or your accountant can easily understand it later, and then enter the amount of the bill. If you have multiple lines, you can break the bill into several categories. If your business tracks billable expenses to customers, look for any option that marks the expense as billable and links it to a specific customer or project. This ensures you can later invoice them for that amount. Once everything looks right, review the bill for accuracy, then click Save and Close to record it. Now let's move on to paying a bill. When you're ready to pay, go back to the plus new button and this time select Pay Bills under Vendors. QuickBooks will show you a list of all unpaid bills. Check the box next to each bill you want to pay in this batch. At the top, choose the account you're paying from using the Pay From dropdown. This could be a bank account or a credit card depending on how you're making the payment. Enter the payment date, which should match the date you actually sent the money. In the reference number field, add something meaningful, like EFT for an electronic transfer, or the check number if you wrote a check. Before finalizing, review the payment amounts and totals to make sure they match what you intend to pay. When everything is correct, click Pay and Close if you're done, or Pay and Print if you need to print physical checks. QuickBooks will record the payments, reduce your accounts payable, and update your account balances automatically.